All right, guys, welcome to today's class. Welcome to today's market. Today, right? So, happy new month, happy new month, happy new month. It's December, right? Time to put the body and soul together. Enjoy all the money you've been making from January till this period, right? So, yes, I see it fit to bring my December market approach, how I approach the market every Christmas period. Let's say every December period, right? And it's also going to help so many persons in this market, those of them trading and those of them in this channel, right? Just as I've said initially, this channel is not for me, it's for all of us in the forex community. It's for me, it's for you, and it helps us to gain and make more profit in the forex market, right? So if today is your first time joining this channel, it's never too late. It's never late, not to even talk about being late, right? All you have to do is just to hit the subscribe button. Remember to share to your friends, relatives for them to join and also capitalize on what is happening and the benefits happening in this channel, right? Okay, so let's go to what we have today, right? December market approach, right? So many persons have been asking, oh, how do I trade December period? How is the market gonna be? Are we still gonna make profit? Are we still gonna make loss? The truth is, the number one thing I would like us to know is your profitability, whether whether for a buy or sell in the market, is dependent on you first before talking about the seasons. The seasons are very much important in the market, especially when it comes to sessions in the market. They are very, very important, but it starts with you that is trading. It starts with you that is the individual before entering the market, right? So we talk about the December market approach, right? December is a very sensitive season, right? December, January period, they are sensitive seasons in the market that one, a good trader has to understand, right? Yes, so many persons, if you do not know how to trade December period, you're gonna lose a lot of money. I'm telling you, if you do not know, but if you know how to trade and a professional trader too, you're gonna make a whole lot of money this period. Yes, there are some persons that wouldn't even approach the market this period, but this is what we're going to do, right? So let's go to the characteristics of this December period, right? So the number one characteristic is that volatility very low during Christmas period. Let me not use the word Christmas, but during December period, volatility very low. The movement in the market up and down very low, right? Because of the festive season, right? No much news being released. Remember, the news is as volatility to the market, but no much news being released. Until you understand the characteristics, to be profitable will be difficult until you understand the characteristics, right? So market usually stochastic, yes. So December period, market is usually stochastic. I don't want to use the word not predictable. It's actually predictable, but not as usual, right? Not as usual. Volatility very low, stochastic, market very stochastic. And during December periods, you have bank holidays. Oh my goodness, you have bank holidays. And as a trader, if you are to trade during Christmas period, you have to watch for those holidays, especially New York period, UK and the rest. You have to watch for the bank holidays coming from those banks and those countries, right? So not only that, brokers can actually go for break for major USD pairs, right? You find major USD pairs. I will explain what this means by the time we go ahead, but major pairs actually go for breaks, right? Especially USD pairs. Early closure of companies, right? So during Christmas period, you wouldn't even tell when a company have scheduled their time to close. And these companies, they all participate in the forex market, and especially those of them that trade stocks in the market. These companies, you might not know when the market is going for a closure, right? So that's how Christmas period is, right? So even the ones that are not closing, the ones that are very much available, you might not actually know when they resume in a day, and all those things help to influence the market, right? Establishment of certain market trends, right? During Christmas period, that's the time you see trends being established, right? most of the times they establish during Christmas period, either to the upside or to the downside. You see trends being established, right? So not only that, you will see, oh my goodness, this one is very, very common, gaps in the market. During Christmas period, you see gaps upon gaps upon gaps upon gaps in the market, right? So all these things shouldn't be new. I'm talking about those of us that wish to trade this Christmas period, right? You see gaps in the market, right? All these characteristics are very, very important to us. Then how do we now trade this December? How trading works this December? That's if you really want to trade this December, how does it work? So the most conservative way, which is the number one, is to avoid the market this Christmas. If you know you've been making money, making money, making money, making money, this Christmas, avoid the market. I can only say what I do, right? This is what I do, right? So this Christmas, conservatively avoid the market. But if you wish to trade the market during Christmas, just like me too, most December period, I trade the market during December period. But on Christmas Day, 25th, market is usually not that market is closed, but you find it difficult to see movement in the market. There is no movement in the market, especially on the 25th and the 1st of January. No movement in the market if it's a working day, right? So number one way is to avoid the market. Then number two is trading conservatively. When I'm trading during Christmas period, I trade conservatively, right? I don't risk much in the market. I know anything can happen because this period is a stochastic period, it's a festive season, right? So whatever I make, I leave the market. I do not stay long in the market. I trade conservatively. I don't argue with the market. I don't do nothing with the market, right? So also, number three is trading only during active sessions, right? So if you really want to make money during this December period, not excluding 25th and 1st of January, right? So if you really want to make money, trade only during active sessions, especially as day traders. Daily only during active sessions like on Monday, Tuesday from 1 p.m. West African time to 5 p.m. From 1 p.m. West African time to 5 p.m. right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right? 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. West African time, depending on the country you are, just change it to your own geographical location. The active session, that is between the opening of the US session and the closing of the UK session. So trade only during active sessions in the forex market, right? Not only that, trading only during active days, right? Trading only during active days, Monday, Tuesdays, right? Wednesdays, Thursday. Then Friday is usually not that active. So trading only during active days is very, very important and very conservative. So trading during only during active days, very conservative, very sweet, right? Right? Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays. You can as well avoid Fridays if you can. Avoiding Fridays is very, very good, right? Now, avoiding holidays, right? All those days you find holidays like the 25th, avoid those days. You can't even take entry in the market. There is no movement in the market in no way. No movement in the market. Holidays, no movement. 25th, 5th and 1st of January, avoid them. And every other day you find Boxing Day and the rest, avoid the market those days, right? This is very, very important in the market. So, as a way of recap, we started with the December market approach, right? December market approach. What I do during December or what I advise during December. Number one, these are the characteristics of the things you see in December. I started by saying volatility very low, market usually stochastic with bank holidays, right? So not only that, brokers can usually go break for major USD pairs rather. Early closure of companies, establishment of certain market trends, gaps in the market, right? You find them during December period, right? Avoiding the market. Now, how do you trade the market during December period? Number one, you avoid the market. That's the most conservative way. Avoid the forex market. Now, number two, trading conservatively. You have to trade conservatively if you wish to trade, right? Trading only during active session is very, very important. Only active session from 1 p.m. West African time down to 5 p.m. West African time. That is the opening of the US session and the closing of the UK session, right? You can convert it to any of your location, right? So trading only during active days. Trading only during active days in the market. Then also avoiding holidays in the market, very, very important. Are you enjoying the video? Wait, enjoy your Christmas. Happy Christmas in advance, and also make some bucks if you wish to trade, right? So thank you very much. Remember to share to your friends, families for the same channel, for the trading communities, for yourself and for everyone. All right. Thank you so much for joining us for today's meeting. Happy new month once again. All right. Bye now.